how to fix Instagram will restrict certain activity easily and fast. So all what you want to do, guys, to fix this problem is actually so easy. First thing, you have to open the Instagram app and then go to your profile. Go right here, go to the top corner, click on those three lions, and then go to the settings on your profile. Click on the help option, click on report a problem, and then click on report problem. It will take you to this page. Now right here you have to briefly explain the problem that you have. For example, I have the problem of we restrict certain activity, and then click next, and that's it. Now you have to open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Instagram, and then click on update. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.